During your lifetime, you've probably seen people eat the peel off of certain fruits and vegetables and find it plain wrong and even blasphemous. Eating fruit and vegetable peels open up an entire world of fiber and nutrients that most people have never heard of. In eating the peel, you get to cut down on food waste and add more nutrition to your diet. Although all of these peels are edible, be sure to search out for organically sourced produce that isn't affected by pesticides and other chemicals. Starting with watermelon. Watermelon rinds have an amino acid called citrulline. It can help get rid of nitrogen in your blood and can also help ease pain if you have sore muscles. In fact, the rind has more citrulline than the juicy flesh. If you're not keen on eating the rind raw, there are other ways to prepare and eat it. You can pickle it, juice it, or stir-fry it like a vegetable. Moving to potato. Although you might be more interested in what's inside the potato, its skin has fiber and tons of nutrients, like vitamins B and C, potassium, calcium, and iron. Also, we have kiwi. Kiwis have fuzzy, tough skin, but don't let that stop you. You can scrape off the fuzz if you don't like it. If you do eat the skin, you'll get antioxidants, flavonoids, plant chemicals, and vitamin C. In fact, the skin has more of those nutrients than the inside does. You probably know about this about banana. Bananas have a peel that's tough to eat and tastes bitter. Still, the peel has some great health benefits. It has potassium and antioxidants, like lutein. Lutein is good for eye health. Banana peels also have something called tryptophan, an amino acid. Since the skin is tough and bitter, you can boil it for a few minutes, then bake in the oven to dry it out for a tea or a smoothie. Other fruit, we have orange. Orange peels have an incredible amount of vitamin C, twice the amount that's inside the fruit. They're also packed with vitamin B6, calcium, potassium, magnesium, and riboflavin, a B vitamin. Orange peels are hard to digest and they can be bitter. So, use a grater to make orange zest. You can zest in salad dressings or sprinkle it directly on top of a salad. The flavor of the zest also goes well with chocolate and ice cream. Last but not least, cucumber. Most of a cucumber's nutrients are in its dark green outer skin. It has lots of potassium, antioxidants, and fiber. The skin is also rich in vitamin K, a nutrient that supports bone health and blood clotting. But if the cucumber you want to eat isn't organic and it has a heavy waxed coating, you might want to peel it anyway.